Let me ask you this. How many times have you planned a date night, only to end up just sitting on the couch, scrolling through Netflix, with no idea what to actually watch? Or maybe you've tried cooking together, but ended up in a kitchen disaster? Yeah, we've all been there. Well, guess what? Tonight, we're about to change the game. Imagine having a magical, intimate, and unforgettable date night, all from the comfort of your own home. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around, because today I'm sharing some of the most creative, fun, and heartfelt date night ideas you can easily pull off. No fancy reservations or expensive meals required. Let's get started, setting the mood. Alright, first things first. Whether you're planning a date for an anniversary, a special occasion, or just because, creating the right atmosphere is key. Think of this as the foundation for everything else. So, how do we do that? 1. Lighting. Nothing sets the mood like soft lighting. We're talking candles, lots of candles. But don't just stop there. Dim the overhead lights or use fairy lights around the room. You can even get creative with LED strip lights if you're into that modern vibe. 2. Music. Next, create a playlist. You don't have to hire a live band, but the right music can make all the difference. Choose something soft, something that sets a calm, romantic tone. Think acoustic, instrumental, or even some smooth jazz. And the best part? You can tailor the playlist to your partner's favorite songs, making it personal. 3. Scent. It's all about engaging the senses. A few strategically placed scented candles or essential oils can elevate the vibe. Something like lavender for relaxation or vanilla for warmth and comfort. Trust me, scent plays a huge part in setting a romantic mood. Intimate dinner ideas. Now, let's talk food. Because let's face it, what's a date night without something delicious? But don't worry, we're not talking about slaving away in the kitchen for hours. You don't need a Michelin star chef for this. Here are a few simple but amazing ideas. Cooking together can be a bonding experience, and what better way to do that than with a pizza night? It's fun, hands-on, and you get to be as creative as you want. Lay out all your favorite toppings, from the classic pepperoni to more adventurous options like goat cheese and figs. And here's a twist. Try making heart-shaped pizzas to really amp up the romance. Fondue is classic and indulgent, and it's perfect for a cozy night in. You can do chocolate fondue for a sweet treat, or a cheese fondue with crusty bread, vegetables, and meat to dip. It's interactive, and you can both share the experience of dipping and chatting in between. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, try a savory fondue with a bottle of wine to match. If you want to take it up a notch, why not try a simple 3-course meal? You can keep it light and easy. Maybe a simple appetizer like a caprese salad, a main course of seared salmon with asparagus, and a dessert of tiramisu or chocolate mousse. The key here is to prepare ahead so you're not stressed during the night. Fun and interactive activities. Okay, the food is taken care of, but what about activities? Here's where things get interesting and a little playful. Whether you're feeling competitive or you just want to relax, I've got you covered. Set up a mini wine tasting at home. Grab a few bottles of wine. Maybe try a white, a red, and a rosé, and have a little tasting session. You don't need to be a wine expert, just enjoy it together. You can make it more fun by rating the wines and guessing which ones you like best. And if wine's not your thing, you can always swap it out with cocktails or mocktails. Here's an idea for the artsy couples. Set up a little painting station or do a DIY craft project together. This could be as simple as painting a canvas or trying out a pottery kit. It's fun, creative, and gives you a keepsake to remember the night by. Spice things up with a couple's trivia game. Create a list of questions about each other, like, what was your partner's favorite childhood movie? Or, what's the most romantic place you've visited together? It's a fun way to learn new things about each other while also having a good laugh. You can even make it a friendly competition and come up with small prizes for the winner. Movies are classic, but let's add a twist. Instead of just watching a random flick, create a theme night. It could be 80s rom-coms, mystery thrillers, or even Best of Disney. Set the scene with cozy blankets and snacks like popcorn, chocolate, or even nachos. You can make it interactive by guessing the plot twists or quoting your favorite lines, deepening your connection. Alright, We've got the food, we've got the activities, now it's time to really connect. This is where the night gets a little more personal and emotional. This one's super sentimental and a great way to deepen your bond. Take a few minutes to write each other heartfelt letters. Don't overthink it. Just share your feelings. Tell your partner why they're important to you, or recount a special memory you've shared. Afterward, you can exchange the letters, read them out loud, and even keep them as a keepsake. If you have access to a balcony, garden, or even a rooftop, why not spend some time stargazing? Lay on a blanket, hold hands, and just talk about everything and nothing at all. It's the perfect way to enjoy each other's company in a peaceful setting, away from distractions. This is a little old-fashioned, but there's something incredibly romantic about slow dancing in your living room to a love song. Put on your favorite tune, wrap your arms around each other, and just enjoy the moment. Even if you're not a dancer, there's something magical about the intimacy of it. Wrapping up the night. As the night comes to a close, don't forget to keep the magic alive with a little thoughtful gesture. Here are some ways to wrap things up with bang. End the night with a small, meaningful gift exchange. It doesn't have to be expensive. Something simple like a handwritten poem, a framed photo from a trip you took together, or even a cute pair of matching mugs. Finish the evening with a sweet touch, literally. Serve a decadent dessert like molten lava cake, chocolate-dipped strawberries, or homemade cookies. A little sweet treat will end the night on a high note. So there you have it, romantic, thoughtful, and unforgettable date night ideas you can recreate right in your own home. The best part? You don't have to spend a fortune or leave the house to have an incredible time together. Whether it's cooking, games, deep conversation, or just a little quiet time under the stars, it's all about connecting with your partner and creating memories. So, what are you waiting for? Plan your next date night and let me know which idea you'll try first. Thanks for watching, and if you loved this video, be sure to hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more fun ideas like this. Until next time, keep the romance alive.